Day 20. Breakfast in the wild. Blue sky day. I still have about a kilometer to the crest. Yesterday the bike was too heavy. It was very difficult. An hour and 45 minutes later, I have reached the road. The trail is behind us. No more in the bottle, so I think I need to go down to the lake. And we have a problem. Private property, no entry. And the trail is going straight, which is a way giant loop. No trespassing. We had to detour around these rocks to get out of here. And now we're going over there. Where I go, there's a headwind these days. Follow the driveway up, and I think this is a vacant lot. And maybe it's gonna rain. 5 p.m. A bear of a day. 30-kilometer headwinds most of the way. It's 6:30 a.m. A rough night. It rained until about 4 o'clock in the morning. So I moved into this house's carport. I know you're wondering, how is it that Livio can sleep in a tent for endless days and not bathe and still look so clean and fresh? The secret? Baby powder. It's really cold out, cloudy, and I gotta get to lower elevation, so it's time to go. The road is still mud, but it predominantly goes down. A soup and a sandwich. A bed, a heater, and a sink in your room.
0 degrees outside at 6:30 in the morning.
Well, Miro, it's officially lunchtime, but I decided to make it officially coffee time with a snowball. One more night out under the stars. I couldn't get a room. Everything is full in this town. Whew. Last day. I am 150 meters from the pass, and I am whooped. Back on the rail trail. This is my last day of the Tasmania crazy bicycle ride, and I met some guy in a supermarket, and it turns out he's buying my bike. I'm a free man.